14 soapstone countertops to inspire your kitchen design. If you cannot decide between marble or soapstone countertops, this kitchen offers a smart solution. Brooke Wagner design out of Corona del Mar, California combines both types of stone in this contemporary cooking space. The soapstone counter around the stove is reserved for food prep, while the marble countertop is primarily used for light kitchen tasks like washing veggies or serving meals. While many soapstone countertops spotted on Pinterest of Instagram appear to be one solid color, the material can also be found with veins or striking streaks in green, black, yellow, blue, brown, or white, as shown in this kitchen by Ben Herzog Architect, out of Brooklyn, New York. For an objective opinion on soapstone countertops, we turn to Joan, the home improvement blogger behind the site For the Love of a House. She loves the stone, which she installed her own cooking space. She adds, while it is a low-maintenance material, it still requires a little tender, loving care to keep looking its best. For instance, her countertop has several small nicks around the edges of the dishwasher and sink caused by banging objects. She says to prevent it from happening in your home, be a little mindful when it is time to wash pots and pans. If a real soapstone countertop is out of your price range, you can still get the look with Formica laminate. Here, Colleen, the decor blogger behind Lemon Thistle, went with a pattern called Soapstone Sequoia. She says her new laminate counters look as beautiful as the real thing. Colleen offers this tip: the best type of sink to combine with laminate is a drop-in as shown. Unlike an undermount sink, it will protect the investment you made in laminate with corners that offer protection from water. In this homey kitchen by Rouser Design, based in Austin, Texas, soapstone counters are combined with a butcher block chopping station. We love how this cooking space combines features in cool colors like the countertops and blue cabinets with warm wood accents, including the kitchen table and hardwood floors. A mid-century modern home renovated by Annie Hall Interiors out of Cambridge, Massachusetts gets a spanking new cooking space that is in step with home's historic style. Turquoise cabinetry and warm wood walls are a classic mid-century combo. The boomerang-style kitchen island with a soapstone countertop is a nod to the traditional kidney-shaped coffee table, which is an icon of mid-century decor. Soapstone countertops lend contrast to this crisp, white kitchen in an Indiana farmhouse renovated by Leo Designs, an interior design firm situated in Chicago, Illinois. Contributing to the cooking space's Americana vibe are vintage-inspired fixtures including the overhead lighting. In a traditional kitchen chock full of oak cabinets, soapstone countertops add a rustic touch that feels more modern than classic. Witten Architects out of Portland, Maine, picked the stone surface to coordinate with the stainless steel appliances. A veiny soapstone countertop is a gorgeous counterpoint in this glamorous, traditional kitchen by interior designer Meg Lonergan, based in Houston, Texas. Adding to the cooking space's luxurious vibe are the gold cabinet knobs and turquoise range. If you need to create an additional work surface in your kitchen, consider adding a kitchen island with a soapstone countertop. Here, Alice Lane Interior Design out of Salt Lake City, Utah does just that with a freestanding option that doubles as a dining table. You will find soapstone slabs in a wide range of gray tones like this cool pewter example found in a home by Frank Shirley Architects based in Cambridge, Massachusetts. Swirls of dark gray and white add a massive dose of visual interest to the stone surface. Fans of modern farmhouse style will love this black and white kitchen by Witten Architects based in Portland, Maine. The countertops along the walls are durable soapstone, which, as we already explained, stand up to heat and stains, making it the ideal work surface for busy cooking spaces. For a pop of contrast, the kitchen island features a stained wood topper. Nearly black soapstone countertops with matching backsplashes add a striking contrast to this sunshiny kitchen by Haida Hendricks Interior Design based in East Hartford, Connecticut. Adding even more practical function to this bright yellow cooking space is the kitchen island topped off with a maple butcher block countertop. A soapstone countertop can sprinkle on some rustic character to contemporary cooking space. Here is one of our favorite examples created by JAS Design Build, an interior design firm based in Seattle, Washington. A beautiful charcoal gray and blue soapstone counter lends old-timey country style to this modern farmhouse kitchen. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.